Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Talk. I help you speak real, everyday English, just like a friend. Today's topic, how to answer, what do you do? Speech balloon before we start. Don't forget to subscribe. Ready? Let's begin. Rocket. So what do you do? Thinking face, I'm a teacher. You can say, I'm a student. I'm a driver. I'm a designer. If you don't work yet, say, I'm studying English. Let's say it together. I'm studying English. Clapping hands. Repeat after me. I work in a bank. I work at a hospital. I study at university. I study online. Example. Hi. Nice to meet you. What do you do? I work in a bank. I study English online. Try saying, I work from home. I study online. Let's talk about your daily routine. I wake up early, around 6:30. I make coffee and start teaching at 8 o'clock. Say it with me. I wake up at 7. I go to work at 9. I come home at 6. Nice work. Your English rhythm is improving. Now, let's talk about what you like. Use I like or I enjoy. I like meeting new people. I enjoy learning English. I like working with computers. I like helping people learn something new. Now your turn. Say one sentence. I like. Speech balloon. Let's talk about free time. After work, I relax. After class, I watch movies. I like to listen to music after work. I meet my friends after class. Example. What do you do after work? I listen to music and cook dinner. Now it's your turn. What do you do after study or work? Let's review. I'm a student. I work in a bank. I study online. I wake up at 7. I like helping people. I listen to music after work. Great job. You're improving already. Glowing star. Thanks for joining me on Easy English Talk. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. Now tell me, what do you do after work or study? Or what time do you wake up? See you next time. And keep speaking real English every day. Waving hand.